Let's explore the AVERAGEIFS function in Excel. This function allows you to calculate averages based on multiple conditions across your Excel data. It is a powerful tool for data analysis, enabling you to derive insights from your spreadsheets by averaging values that meet specific criteria. Here's the syntax for the AVERAGEIFS function. It starts with AVERAGEIFS followed by the average underscore range, which is the range of cells from which the average will be calculated. Next, we have criteria underscore range 1 and criteria 1, representing the first range to evaluate and the corresponding criteria to meet. Additional criteria ranges and their associated criteria can be added as needed, making it versatile for complex conditions. Let's break down the parameters of the AVERAGEIFS function. The average underscore range is the range of cells that will be used to calculate the average. Criteria underscore range 1 is the first range of cells that will be evaluated based on a specific condition. Criteria 1 is the actual condition or criteria that must be met for the corresponding range. Criteria underscore range 2 and so on are additional, optional ranges and their respective criteria to further refine the average calculation. Here is a sample sales data table that we can use to work with the AVERAGEIFS function. The table includes columns for product, region, and sales. For example, we have data showing laptop sales in the North region with $1,500 in sales. There's phone sales in the South region with $800 in sales. Laptop sales in the South region with $1,200 in sales, tablet sales in the North region with $600 in sales, and phone sales in the North region with $900 in sales. Here's a basic example of how to use the AVERAGEIFS function. To calculate the average sales for laptops in the North region, the formula would be AVERAGEIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, A2:A6, open quotation mark laptop, close quotation mark, B2:B6, open quotation mark, North, close quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula looks at the sales data in column C, finds the sales for laptops in column A, and restricts to the North region in column B. The result is 1,500. Now, let's look at examples using multiple criteria with the AVERAGEIFS function. To calculate the average sales for values greater than 1,000, the formula is AVERAGEIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, C2:C6, open quotation mark, greater than 1,000, close quotation mark, close parenthesis. To calculate the average sales for either phones or tablets, you can combine two AVERAGEIFS functions. AVERAGEIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, A2:A6, open quotation mark, phone, close quotation mark, close parenthesis plus AVERAGEIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, A2:A6, open quotation mark, tablet, close quotation mark, close parenthesis. Let's explore the key benefits of using the AVERAGEIFS function. It allows you to apply multiple conditions simultaneously, providing efficient data analysis with a single formula for complex calculations, enabling deep analysis of filtered datasets, and providing dynamic results that automatically update with data changes. Mastering AVERAGEIFS allows you to calculate sophisticated averages with multiple criteria, unlocking deeper insights from your Excel data. This function is a powerful tool for anyone looking to perform detailed data analysis and gain valuable knowledge from their spreadsheets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.